Welcome to Using Multimode Fiber in the PON, the 14th video in the Tellabs Optical LAN System Architecture and Application series. In this video, we'll discuss the process of using existing multimode fiber to complete a Tellabs Optical LAN installation. The topics covered in this video will be a use case for reusing existing multimode fiber in a PON installation, the specifications for the modal adapter cable, and configuration considerations for the PON. Single-mode fiber is the standard for the PON interface on the Tellabs Optical LAN system. Single-mode fiber provides superior distance and bandwidth, as well as lower attenuation and lower cost when compared to multimode fiber. For this reason, single-mode fiber is the most reasonable choice in a new PON installation. Some networks have pre-existing or unused multimode fiber that has been installed in fiber to the desktop and fiber to the closet implementations. Multimode fiber is a much older type of fiber with a substantially larger core diameter and typically manufactured in much lower tolerances. It is the primary type of fiber used within buildings and on short fiber runs. It has many shortcomings that limit the application which it can serve. When an optical LAN system is installed, these multimode fibers can be reused. To accomplish this, a modal adapter cable is installed between the OLT and the ONT. The Tellabs modal adapter cable performs mode canceling within the fiber and allows the light to pass from the single mode fiber to the multimode fiber domains with the best quality signal possible. Additionally, a single mode fiber jumper is used at the desktop to adapt the single mode fiber requirements for the ONT to the multimode fiber. New network builds should use single mode fiber cabling, not multimode fiber. Single mode supports much higher bandwidth and is better for future proofing. Modal adapter cables are only for cost effectively upgrading existing multimode fiber installations. Tellabs supports up to a maximum of 550 meters of multimode fiber for both GPON and XGS-PON signals using the fiber modal adapter. When planning, it is important to remember that this jumper creates 2.5 dB of insertion loss. The cable also comes with two connector options on the multimode side, ST and LC. When using the modal adapter cable, the ODN should be specified for no more than 22 dB of loss. As a general guideline to maintain that insertion loss, splitters should be no larger than 2 by 32 and single mode fiber lengths should not exceed 2.5 kilometers. Multimode fiber distances depend on the type of fiber and the PON protocol supported. When using multimode fiber, forward error correction should be enabled on the PON port. Multimode fiber cables in aging infrastructure can cause data errors due to modal dispersion. FEC adds redundant data to messages, allowing receivers to detect and fix errors without retransmitting, preventing network congestion and maintaining performance. This concludes this video. In it, we have discussed a use case for reusing existing multimode fiber in a PON installation, the specifications for the modal adapter cable, and configuration considerations for the PON.